Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
How to enable super thanks on YouTube. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will learn how you can enable this feature which says thanks. It means super thanks. So once somebody clicks on this button, they can post some super comments. Okay, super comments means that their comment will be highlighted than the normal comments, so they can customize this thing. So if I click here right now, they will see the pricing as per their country, and they can edit the text here, and their text color will change as well. Okay, it will be red, blue, things like that, right? So if you want to know exactly how you can switch on this feature for your YouTube channel, make sure you keep watching the video. That's why I'm recording this video right now. Okay, so yes, before we start the video, your job, you know it, go and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and why not go and leave a super thanks to me. Okay, so if you go on my channel TubeCore here and you go to all these videos, on every video now you will find this button says super thanks. Now this is good for people who are not selling anything. So for example, in my review video, so if you are a subscriber, if you know me, then you know me very well that I do not sell you things. I mainly 99% of the time I expose things in my videos. Technically I don't make any money with that. Okay, so even this video right now which I'm recording, this is for information purposes only, and I will hardly make any money with this. So in case if you want to support me and you do not want to buy my programs which are for high cost, so you can still go and support me. You can do super thanks on my videos, and I think I'm not sure about the pricing in the country. It might be starting with $1, $2, $3, stuff like that. So you can customize the pricing, and this is good for every creator. Okay, however, the requirement is that we get back to the same thing. Your YouTube channel has to be monetized. Okay, you need those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours if you want this feature on your YouTube channel. Okay, so in case if you are a new YouTuber and you have less than 1,000 subscribers and you don't have those 4,000 watch hours, because it's a dream come true, getting those 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months is quite a job. Okay, so if you are struggling first of all in getting your YouTube channel monetized, then you can do yourself a favor. You can go below my video right now, any of my videos, and you will see the first link saying make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and you'll find more links, but we'll talk about the first one only here. Make money with Traffic Jarvis, and this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within 30 days maximum, within a month, your YouTube channel will be monetized. Okay, once your YouTube channel is monetized, then you will have this option of super thanks. Okay, this is one more way YouTubers can make money with this. And as of now, if you are still not getting what is the future, then you are a dumb ASS. Okay, videos are the future. YouTube is the future. Okay, this is one more option. You can get the liquid cash earning. Okay, you can go and make money by selling something in your YouTube videos. You can go and make money with YouTube ad revenue, the ads which you have seen in the beginning of the video. After monetization, you can make money with that. Okay, I talk about that in my every video in detail. Okay, and what else? You can maybe sponsors. You can be a sponsor, so somebody can come and give you sponsorship if you are like a big channel. Okay, there are multiple ways to make bloody money on YouTube. In which language shall I make you understand? Don't you get it? Right now we are watching 2D videos. These videos which you see, these are 2D videos. In next 10 years or so, we'll be watching 3D videos on laptops. Then after 2 decades, we'll be watching 4D and then 5D. So when your grandsons will be watching YouTube, they will be more likely watching 4D, 5D YouTube videos. Nothing is gonna stop. Technology doesn't stop for you. If you think I'm 60-year-old, I can't make videos, please don't tell me that. Okay, everybody can make YouTube videos, especially you are coming from a country, I believe, where English is your first language. So I'm assuming you know English, okay? So speaking English is not a problem, right? And plus you look white, you have the white skin. So what are you afraid of? You know, everything is in your favor, okay? If you're coming from America, the UK or some Europe countries, okay, or wherever, I don't care, okay, you can speak English, you look white, or you look total black, okay, everything is in your favor. So why are you not coming on YouTube? Forget about coming on the camera. You can be like me, you can make YouTube videos just like me, okay? So you have to utilize what is in your favor, okay? Because if you don't utilize what is trending right now, you will be left behind, okay? Video marketing is the future. What do you think? Why YouTube is coming up with these features? Why am I crazy making 4 or 5 videos every day? Because I know if I carry on doing this for next 3, 4, 5 years, my life will be set, okay? Right now I'm 32 years of age, and if I carry on doing this until 37 years, until next 5 years, then I'm set for my rest of my life. And 37 years is not a very huge age if you want to be financially free and then go and enjoy your life. So if you are right now 40 years old, commit to yourself. In next 4 or 5 years you will be 45. By that time, if you work hard and grow your YouTube channel and establish it full time, then after 45 years you have rest of life free. You can enjoy. But you don't get it. You don't even want to work 3, 4 years so that you can get your freedom back. No, you don't want to work that. Anyways, that's another that is a lecture I will give you in some other video. But right now let's talk about the main topic of the video. How do you enable this super thanks? Now this is for people who are already using Traffic Jarvis and their YouTube channel got monetized, or else you are you don't know me but still your channel is monetized. So you can see here how to go and activate this button, okay? So first of all, you have to go into your YouTube studio, okay? And in YouTube studio you go to left side here. Now don't ask me how to go into YouTube studio, okay? So when you go onto YouTube, on the top right, you click on your profile picture and then you click on YouTube studio, okay? And then you will see the screen. Now go to monetization here, and now you have overview, ads, membership. You have to go into supers, okay? Click on supers. Now here you can see here super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, okay? Super chat is when you do live streaming. I don't do live streaming, okay? Super sticker is again for live streaming when somebody has to send you some stickers, okay? Super thanks is the new one. I think this was launched maybe 2-3 months back, okay? So super thanks is something which you can enable right now from here. So you toggle, you switch off, okay, like this, and then you switch on, okay? So I will not turn this off. It was only to show you. So my super thanks is right now on, okay? Once you do this, then this thanks button will be available or visible on every video which you have uploaded so far on your channel, and also on the future videos too, okay? Now how does this work, okay? So let's refresh it, and if you want to contribute to my channel or you want to contribute to anybody else's channel, okay, you want to show your support, and it doesn't have to be 20 bucks or 50 bucks or $1,000. It's entirely up to you. What can you afford? What are you willing to happily pay, okay? So you click on this button here. Now I cannot change this currency. This is currency in my local country, okay? In your country it will be your currency, so it may be $1, $2, $5, 10 bucks, I don't know, okay? So whatever you are comfortable with in paying, okay? So you go ahead and select the currency. For example, I want to select this 100 for now, okay? So this will turn blue, right? If you want to select 1,000 in your country, whatever currency is, I don't know, right? So that currency has to be highlighted, 40, 100, whatever, okay? Let's say I want to pay 40, okay? I want to buy this super comment, and also you will have an option here to edit this. So here it says thanks, but as for YouTube, if I come here, right, so I'll talk about these questionnaires as well, and here it says, you see next to comment, click the text box or tap edit pencil next to the default text, and then you can go ahead and write your comment, okay? Right now here I don't see that, okay? I can't edit, maybe something wrong with my computer, but on your end, when you go on your computer or mobile, you should be able to edit this thanks and write your customized comment, okay? And after that you select your currency or the amount, and then you click on buy and send. After that, you will have to link your credit card if it is not already linked with Google. Okay, so in case your card is not linked with YouTube already, you will have to manually link it. So you click on the first one, then you type in your card details and everything, your billing address, and you click on buy. As soon you will click on buy, I think your comment will be posted, below my YouTube video, and your credit card will be charged. Okay, so this is how you do these super thanks. Okay, now you have to understand this in two ways. If you are the creator means you are me. Okay, you are making YouTube videos. Okay, this is how people will pay you, and I think how much you will get 55%. Okay, so YouTube will keep 45% and the creators will get 55%. Okay, so if you pay 10 bucks, I will be getting 5.5. Okay, and in case if you want to support me directly, you can click on show more here, and you can try this link here. This is my own support link. In case you want to support me, you can directly visit this link. Okay, anyways, if you are somebody who wants to support some creators, okay, so let's say you are only the viewer. Okay, you're watching the video and you like my content and you want to support me, then you have to go below my video, click on this thanks button, and then follow the process, link your card and make the payment. Okay, according as per your wish. All right, remember, creators get 55% of whatever you will send. Okay, so let's say if you know the creator, it's better to go and send them the money directly in their bank account or whatever deal of maybe PayPal. Okay, because YouTube will take the cut of 45%, right? Anyways, it's not a problem. So let's talk about some questions here that who can use this. So this is available, this feature is available in all these countries. Okay, so I guess mostly it's available everywhere, including in my country, right? So great, you can pause the video, you can check all these countries. Okay, and then we have buy super thanks, comments, purchase limit. Okay, so you can spend up to, I don't think anybody will spend that much money. Okay, so yeah, but there's a limit. You can buy up to $2,000 comments and likes and everything, super chat, super stickers, super thanks, combined 3. This is the maximum somebody can spend, so I don't think anybody will spend that much anyway. Okay, and then that's it, right? So that's all we needed to know. Again, how do you enable? You go to your monetization here, then you go to supers, and then you toggle this super thanks to on. It has to be blue. Okay, and that is how your thanks button will start appearing on this below your every video. And this is for creators whose YouTube channel is monetized. If your YouTube channel is not monetized, Traffic Jarvis is your first and last job. Okay, and again guys, I want to motivate you here. I'm trying to motivate you since last 1 year that everybody should come on YouTube, and coming on YouTube does not mean that you have to show your face if you don't want to. If you can, it will be a benefit for you. It will be it will impact your brand. So if you can come on the camera, it's good. If you cannot, then simply use your voice and record your computer screen and make YouTube videos. Okay, and if you want to know exactly how to get started with YouTube and make money just like me, then go ahead and click on the first link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. You will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. And option number 1 is email marketing, and I will skip this email marketing for now. I will talk about YouTube here, but if you want, you can check this email marketing in your own time. Okay, or I have explained how this email marketing system works in my other videos, so you can go and watch any of my other videos and you will learn what I'm talking about here. Okay, let's get to this Traffic Jarvis first of all. So what you need to do is, first of all, click on this play button here, then go on the next page, enter your name and email, click on this red button, then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, then you will be taken to this Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action. Okay, because Traffic Jarvis again will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours only in 2 weeks, and then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within 1 month your YouTube channel will be monetized, which means from next month onwards you can start making money from YouTube ad revenue. You can start making money from this thingy, YouTube thanks, super thanks. Okay, and if you do live streaming, you can start making money in live streaming comments as well. There are hell lot of ways to make money on YouTube. Okay, after your channel is monetized, and if you want to make money without monetization before you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, in that case you can go through this Kish Hacking training. In Kish Hacking you will learn how I make affiliate reviews and I get some sales. Okay, so here you can see the proofs that this is the money I have made without selling anything. just by uploading videos, because YouTube shows some ads in my videos. So that's this is the kind of money I have made by uploading videos every now and then. Okay, and this is the money I have made through kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. So when I do some reviews in my videos and people buy, this is the money I make. Okay, so I guess this is a good feature. I like it. And if you like my content, especially for those creators, who expose scams, who help you in some way or the other, but they don't charge you. Okay, I think you need to take the ownership. And right now you can see this button is always going to be there. I don't need your money, but if you want to contribute, okay, so let's say if you want to go and pay me, or you want to show your gratitude, but you think my courses are something which you cannot afford right now, but still you want to contribute, in that scenario, I think this is a good feature. You can click on it, and then you can choose the amount as per your feasibility. Okay, whatever you're happy with, you can choose that amount. You can click on buy and send, add your card, and that is how you can leave your comment, and I will also get your contribution. Okay, so I think this is good for creators, and also this is good for people who want to interact with for example, if you go on a channel, okay, and they get millions of views, right? Now you have to stand away from the stand out from the crowd. Okay, so let's say if I'm gonna get 1,000 comments on any of my future videos, now I cannot, or all those other YouTubers, they cannot reply to those thousands of comments. Okay, so you have to stand out from the crowd. In that case, you can go and pay them. Okay, support them, contribute them, and then if you're paying whatever amount, then we as a creator, okay, we YouTubers are liable to reply to your comment, because you have tried to support our channel. Okay, this works both ways, right? So let's say tomorrow you want to contact me, and you don't have like $100 to pay me to talk to me, then maybe you can go and contribute whatever amount, $2, $5, $10, okay, as per your country, region. Okay, and you can leave your question in the comment, and you can get a reply from me directly, or you can get a reply from other YouTubers who will never contact you because they have millions of subscribers. Okay, so let's take this example. You go on a channel, they have millions of subscribers, but you leave a comment, your comment gets lost somewhere in the ocean of the comments. Okay, but if you go and do this super thanks to those YouTubers, they are liable to reply to you because you have paid them in a way. Okay, so I think it's gonna work for both very well, for the contributors as well as for the creators. Okay, for now I'm tired. I'm going to watch the movie, what is the name, Jurassic Park Dominion, the latest one. This is weekend. I'm gonna enjoy, and you guys go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and go and grab this Traffic Jarvis. If you really want to make career on YouTube, go and get Traffic Jarvis. What are you waiting for? Okay, videos are the future. Don't hold yourself back, otherwise it will be too late. Okay, so go and check this out, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do whatever. Okay, let's enjoy our weekend. Take care, bye bye.